Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is a very interesting video. In this one we will focus on this right here, the back when it gets very thick, how to crochet it right, and also the beginning, the cornrows that goes straight up. These right here will focus on how to crochet them the right way, so when you keep pulling them up and down so they don't get loose. It's very important. See, I just move one right here. It stay very intact. It doesn't get loose. Some crochet, if you do them the wrong way, when you keep putting your hair up and down, you'll notice that the roots get super loose. In this video, I'll make sure I show you how to do it so this won't happen to your hair. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The one to the left, you see how intact it is, and the one to the right, when you move it around, it gets looser. It's okay the way it is. It won't come out, but over time it gets looser and looser. Now the braiding pattern. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please check the info box down below to see a longer video showing how this pattern is done. We'll just cornrow. Instead of doing her cornrows straight back, we'll do a few cornrows around her edges going up, just to create that ponytail look where you won't be able to see the cornrows once you install the locks. This pattern is perfect for the locks that we are using because they are not heavy. We are using 6 packs. I'll be showing you the hair in a few seconds. The hair is super light. When you do this pattern, it takes a lot of hair because we have to make sure that all around her edges are full enough so you don't see the cornrows. So if you're buying any locks that's heavy, or you feel like it'll be heavy on your hair, so do not do this pattern. This pattern takes more hair than a regular straight back. This is the thick part I told you in the beginning of the video. I'll show you how to cover that part. This can be very tricky, especially if your hair is super long. You'll see how bulky it gets in the back. I'll show you how you can make sure that everything remains flat. What I'm doing here is creating a middle part for her in case she wants to part her hair in the middle. That's why I'm just stopping the corner right here using the latch hook. I'll stop it here so whenever she part her hair, the part won't go all the way in the back. It'll stop right there. The braiding pattern is basically done here. What I'm doing is making sure that that one braid is secured very well using the latch hook. When you're taking your hair out, this is the first braid you undo. Now I'm gonna apply some Glam Naturally oil on her hair. This oil prevent your hair from itching, it prevent dry scalp, it prevents what else, it's recommended to use it daily, to massage your scalp with it daily. It prevent your hair from itching. I'll make sure I leave it in the info box below. This is a black owned business. She's on Instagram and she's on Etsy. She has other type of oil too. I'll make sure I link it in the info box below so you can check it out. And next, to lay down her edges, I apply the I Am Blessed Hands Edge Control. I'll leave it in the info box as well. Finally, let's get to that hair. 20-inch GYPSY locks from shopfieldbeauty.com. Remember, Shopfield Beauty is in Jamaica, New York. I'll make sure I link their website in the info box. They're also on Instagram. We are using 6 packs. This hair is super light. That's why I decided to do the ponytail braid pattern for this hair. The ends are curly and it comes with loops. Now let's start in the back. Focus mainly on the direction of the latch hook. This is the right way to do it, so the roots stay intact and doesn't move. This is the right way to do it. Okay, pointing the latch hook in this direction, it's still okay. The locks will remain on your hair. It's just the roots moves and it gets loose over time. So I would suggest you to do it like the left the way I crochet the left one instead of the right one. See how it's looking right here? When you keep moving your hair, when your hair start getting old, this is how the roots will start looking, because you'll be moving it either by whenever you go to bed, you'll be moving it. Whenever you applying oil, it'll look like that. So this is a better way to do it, to prevent that from happening, especially the beginning of all the edges. This is the better way to do it. When I crochet the right way, I can move it left and right. The roots remain intact. It doesn't move. Now let's focus on the thick cornrows right in the middle of your head. Well, it's like the back of your head. Remember, do not use the latch hook all the way at the roots. Do not take the latch hook and install the crochet all the way at the roots of your hair. This won't work. It'll make it very bulky in the back and it'll still be moving. So this is a better way to do it. Use a little bit of the cornrow to crochet the locks in. Another important thing to do is combining the cornrows. There are a lot of remember, we pull the cornrows up and start the next one. So these cornrows, you have to combine them and then crochet the locks that way. When you do it that way, they don't move that much. They stay in one spot. If the wind blows, people won't be able to see all these cornrows. So combine them together. They'll cover all the very thick part. They'll cover all of them. Remember, we are using 6 packs of GYPSY locks from shopfeelbeauty.com. The process took 2 hours. We use color 1B. The locks have loops and curly ends. Those hair accessories are from my website. I'll make sure I link it in the info box below. We are basically done here. Everything is full. When you pull it up, you do not see the cornrows. She'll be able to have a very nice ponytail with a cute bun. You won't be able to see none of her cornrows. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this one was very helpful, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section below what else you want to see or what exactly you liked about the video. If for some reason you didn't like the video, you can go ahead and give it a big thumbs down. I do like my big thumbs up though. Give that big thumbs down and also comment what exactly you didn't like so I can improve. I know I cannot make everyone happy, but I'll definitely do my best. So either way, leave your comment, and thank you.